Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to show you how to do a factory reset on your LG TV. So if you want to set everything back to the way it was the day you bought it, you can go ahead and follow this video. It's quite simple. So first thing we need to do is we want to go into the settings menu, and to get there we can either up the top right, we can navigate up to this gear wheel here, or on the controller we can directly hit the gear wheel right here. Once we get that open, we have some options here. We're going to go all the way down and we're going to select all settings, and we're going to hit the OK button on the controller to get into all settings. Once we get into all settings, again we're going to go down to General, which is again the gear wheel, and we're again going to hit the OK button here. Then from there, we're going to navigate down to System. And again, once we get to System, we're going to hit the OK button again. And then we're going to get an option which is Reset to Initial Setting. We're going to click on that. And it's going to ask you to enter your password to confirm it. And once you enter your password to confirm it, it will reset, turn off, and turn back on with your original factory settings. So I'm not actually going to do that because I want to keep my TV the way it is, but you can do that and it will work for yours. So please, I hope this video helped you. Let me know if it helped. And thanks for watching and have a great day.